Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. Walnuts are packed with nutrition, providing plant-based omega-3 fats, protein, and fiber.
Fuel summer adventures with these walnut-inspired snacks.
Honey Cinnamon Walnut Butter. Layer walnuts on a sheet pan and bake. Once cooled, grind walnuts in a food processor. Add salt, then slowly add oil. Add honey and cinnamon and stir to combine. Dip with apple slices or graham crackers and enjoy.
Chewy Walnut Trail Bars. Whisk together oats, brown sugar, flour, baking soda, and cinnamon. Stir in walnuts, plums, chocolate chips, pumpkin seeds, coconut and sesame seeds. Chop apricots. Add butter and honey to the food processor. Fold into oat mixture until combined. Press into baking pan and bake.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.